Listen up, Chew. This is not financial advice. You need to talk to your CPA. But in the future, I can tell you, one of the best possible ways to make a living is vending machines. If I were you, Chew, I would start buying vending machines in securing locations right now. Because in the year 2077, these fucking things are everywhere. Like, literally everywhere. Selling all kinds of shit. From energy drinks, to burritos, to sex toys, to guns. Put away your dreams of becoming a corpo desk worker and get into the vending machine business. You can buy my online course right now, How to Get Filthy Rich with Vending Machines by Johnny Silverhand. Only $27 and you'll get unlimited access. Just kidding. I don't sell fucking courses. But follow for more money-making ideas, Chew.